Turn towards him. Take it up close. Look at his tail. Oh my gosh, it's like fat. His ears.
What is wrong with you, cat? I have never seen them react about that.
Up on the screen too.
He's scratching again.
He is totally freaked out by that.
What is wrong with you, cat?
He thinks it's going to come after him.
It is
I
fine.
don't know about this.
He's not even paying attention
He's
to
so
you.
concentrated on that, he didn't even notice me doing that.
Oh,
He's like, oh, come over here. That thing is freaking me out. Turn towards him. Oh, towards him, not away.
he's like, it keeps moving.
What's the matter, Bucky?
What is wrong with you, cat?
You afraid of that thing? Is that him? Oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever heard him make that sound. And his tail stub's still fat too.
What is wrong with you, cat?
What's the matter, Bucky?
It's not gonna hurt you, goofball.
Bucky, all your hair's on end.
You really flips that way, move it like this.
We did that weird sound too.
Which I think I got. You were fine, cat.
He moved away, you might as well stop.